The next process uses Automet's transform tools to translate the survey data to an orientation that minimizes the misalignment. First, we zero the coordinates of flange 1. Then move the Fit Preference slider to alignment for flange 1 and 2. This will align the flanges to the grid. Flange 2 can now be rotated onto the y-axis. To do this, we select Transform. Choose flange 1 as the origin and flange 2 as the set point. Keep the Z-plane by selecting the level line option. To bring flange 2 onto the y-axis, press the green sphere. This is the optimal orientation because we have minimized the errors found in the survey. We now generate the text report at the main menu by pressing the Text Report button and then exporting the report to a PDF file.